Good morning, everyone. Imagine waking up every day feeling stronger, more energized, and confident in your body's ability to perform at its peak. Today, I want to challenge a common myth that many of us have believed for years, the idea that vitamin D supplements alone are the key to building strong muscles. In reality, the science is clear. While vitamin D plays a role in overall health, there are two vitamins you can take at breakfast that are far more powerful for muscle growth and energy than any pill you find on a pharmacy shelf. Many people believe that building muscle and staying strong requires expensive supplements and powders, yet science consistently shows that the foundation of health and strength is rooted in real, whole foods. While it is easy to be drawn to marketing claims promising quick fixes, the truth is that your body responds best to nutrients delivered through natural sources. When you start your day with nutrient-dense foods, you give your muscles the raw materials they need to grow and recover efficiently. Each bite you take in the morning is not just fuel. It is a signal to your body to begin the process of repair, energy production, and growth. Breakfast offers a unique window of opportunity. After hours of fasting, during sleep, your body is primed to absorb nutrients and put them to work immediately. Consuming vitamins, minerals, and proteins in the morning triggers a cascade of metabolic responses that help your muscles perform at their peak. This is the time when your body is most responsive to nutrients that stimulate energy production, protein synthesis, and cellular repair. Imagine starting the day with foods that actively communicate with your body, telling it to wake up, repair itself, and prepare for the challenges ahead. Many people overlook this opportunity, reaching instead for vitamin D or other single nutrient supplements. While these can have a role in overall health, they cannot replicate the complexity of real food. Whole foods contain a symphony of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that work together in ways science is only beginning to understand. For example, an orange not only provides vitamin C, but also contains flavonoids that enhance absorption and support immune function. Eggs contain not just B vitamins and protein, but choline, lutein, and other compounds that synergize to enhance energy and cognitive performance. The combined effect of these nutrients is far greater than what any isolated supplement can provide. The timing of nutrient intake is equally important. Studies show that consuming essential vitamins in the morning, especially alongside protein, creates an environment in your body that optimizes muscle growth and energy utilization. The red blood cells that deliver oxygen to your muscles, the enzymes that repair tissue, and the mitochondria that produce cellular energy all benefit from these nutrients in a natural, balanced form. This is why a breakfast rich in vitamins and real food is not just a meal, it is a performance enhancer that sets the tone for your entire day. Many people ask whether supplements can replace this approach, and the answer is clear: they cannot. Supplements often provide a single nutrient in isolation, missing the nuanced interactions that occur in real food. Your muscles, your metabolism, and your overall health are designed to respond to the complex, multi-layered signals that whole foods provide. Each nutrient amplifies the effects of others, creating an environment where muscle repair and growth are accelerated. Skipping this natural synergy in favor of a pill is like trying to drive a car with only fuel but no engine. It will never reach its full potential. What you choose to eat in the morning sends a message to your body that lasts for hours. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals at breakfast are not just a source of energy, they are a blueprint for strength, endurance, and resilience. Simple, mindful choices such as incorporating eggs, citrus fruits, fortified cereals, or berries can dramatically impact how your body performs, recovers, and grows. These are not just meals, they are strategic tools that leverage the body's natural processes for optimal results. By embracing real foods over supplements, you empower your body to function at its best. Your muscles will respond faster, your energy will sustain throughout the day, and your overall health will improve in ways that cannot be achieved with a bottle or a powder. Every morning presents a chance to feed your body with the nutrients it needs to activate repair pathways and to lay the foundation for growth. The choice you make at breakfast is one of the most powerful decisions you will make all day, and it is the first step toward building the strong, resilient body you desire. Vitamin B12 is one of those nutrients that quietly powers some of the most critical processes in the body, yet many people overlook its profound impact on energy, strength, and muscle performance. This vitamin is not just a supplement on a pharmacy shelf, it is a vital component that fuels your muscles and keeps your body running at its peak. Without sufficient B12, the body struggles to produce red blood cells efficiently, which directly affects the delivery of oxygen to every tissue, including the muscles you are trying to grow. Imagine running a race or lifting weights while your muscles are receiving only a fraction of the oxygen they need. That's the difference between working at your full potential and merely going through the motions. B12 plays a central role in energy production by supporting the metabolism of every cell in the body. It helps convert the food you eat into usable energy, breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into fuel that powers every movement. When your muscles receive this fuel, they respond with strength, endurance, and recovery that are far superior to what you would experience without this vitamin. The effects are subtle but profound. Workouts feel easier, fatigue diminishes faster, and the body's capacity to build and repair muscle tissue improves significantly. The importance of vitamin B12 becomes even clearer when you consider its role in neurological health. B12 is essential for the production of myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves, which ensures that signals from the brain reach your muscles quickly and efficiently. Every contraction, every lift, every step you take is coordinated by these signals, and B12 ensures they travel without interruption. Without it, your movements can feel sluggish, coordination may suffer, and the ability of muscles to respond effectively diminishes. For anyone serious about building muscle, maintaining optimal B12 levels is non-negotiable. Dietary sources of B12 are abundant and highly effective when included strategically at breakfast. Eggs, fortified cereals, dairy products, and certain fish provide concentrated amounts of this vitamin, delivering a boost to your red blood cell production and energy levels right at the start of the day. Pairing B12-rich foods with protein amplifies the benefits even further, allowing the body to efficiently use the nutrients for both energy and muscle repair. It is in these natural combinations that the body finds its optimal response, much more than what isolated supplements can provide. Many people mistakenly rely solely on pills, assuming that a capsule can replace the complex interaction of nutrients in real food. But the reality is that B12 in natural food forms comes with cofactors and supportive nutrients that enhance absorption and utilization. This is why the body responds faster, recovers more efficiently, and sustains higher energy levels when B12 is consumed through foods rather than pills alone. Even small deficiencies can manifest as fatigue, weakness, or slowed recovery, directly undermining muscle growth and daily performance. The timing of B12 intake is critical as well. Consuming it in the morning ensures that your metabolism is primed and that oxygen delivery to muscles is optimized from the very first movement of the day. Every breakfast that includes a B12-rich food is an investment in how effectively your body can perform physically and mentally. It is not just about avoiding fatigue, it is about setting the stage for strength, endurance, and resilience that compounds with every meal and every workout. Vitamin B12 is more than just a nutrient. It is the engine that drives energy production, muscle performance, and neurological efficiency. By incorporating B12-rich foods into your morning routine, you are giving your muscles the oxygen and energy they need to respond, adapt, and grow. You are feeding not only the body, but also the system that coordinates every movement, every lift, and every step toward your strength goals. The difference is tangible, measurable, and transformative, turning ordinary mornings into the starting point for extraordinary results. Vitamin C is often thought of as a simple immune booster, something we take when we feel a cold coming on. But its role in muscle growth and overall strength is far deeper and more critical than most people realize. This powerful nutrient is a key player in the production of collagen, the structural protein that forms the framework for muscles, tendons, ligaments, and even bones. Collagen is what gives your muscles the resilience and integrity to withstand the stress of rigorous exercise. And without enough vitamin C, your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are more prone to injury and slower recovery. Every rep, every lift, every sprint challenges your body, and vitamin C ensures that the structural foundation of your muscles is strong enough to handle it. When you consume vitamin C at breakfast, especially alongside protein-rich foods, you are providing your body with the tools it needs to repair microtears in muscles that naturally occur during exercise. These microtears, if repaired efficiently, result in stronger and larger muscles over time. Collagen synthesis is highly dependent on vitamin C, meaning that without it, your muscles cannot repair at their full potential. This is why athletes and health-conscious individuals who prioritize vitamin C intake often recover faster and experience more noticeable gains from their workouts. Vitamin C also plays a vital role in antioxidant defense, protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. Every time you push your body to its limits, free radicals are generated, which can damage cells and delay recovery. Vitamin C neutralizes these free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting the integrity of your muscle fibers. By incorporating this nutrient into your morning routine, you give your muscles the support they need to not only grow, but also resist the wear and tear of daily training. This creates a powerful synergy between nutrition and physical performance that many people overlook. In addition to its effects on collagen and antioxidants, vitamin C aids in the absorption of other critical nutrients, including iron, which is essential for oxygen transport to muscles. Iron-rich red blood cells deliver oxygen to working muscles, enhancing endurance and reducing fatigue. By supporting iron absorption, vitamin C indirectly boosts energy levels, making your workouts more effective and helping your muscles perform at their peak for longer periods. This nutrient works quietly but profoundly, orchestrating multiple systems in the body to create an environment where strength and resilience can flourish. Natural sources of vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and leafy greens, offer more than just the vitamin itself. They provide a complex matrix of phytonutrients that enhance the body's ability to utilize vitamin C efficiently. This is why a nutrient-rich breakfast is far more effective than relying solely on isolated supplements. The body thrives on the combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in whole foods, creating a balanced environment where muscle growth, recovery, and overall health are optimized. Timing is critical for vitamin C effectiveness. Consuming it in the morning ensures that your body has these essential nutrients available during the first hours of activity, whether that means your morning workout or simply starting the day with energy and focus. Muscles begin to recover and strengthen immediately after activity, and vitamin C accelerates this process by supporting collagen production, reducing inflammation, and protecting cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin C is more than just a simple nutrient. It is a central player in building strong, resilient muscles from the inside out. By including vitamin C-rich foods in your breakfast, you provide your body with the tools it needs to repair, protect, and enhance muscle function. You are not just fueling energy, you are strengthening the very framework of your body, creating the conditions for faster recovery, increased endurance, and stronger, more resilient muscles over time. When consumed consistently, this simple daily habit transforms the way your body responds to exercise, turning ordinary meals into powerful catalysts for growth and long-term health. When it comes to building muscle and achieving peak physical performance, the combination of essential nutrients and protein is far more powerful than either on its own Protein has long been celebrated for its role in muscle repair and growth, but without the support of key vitamins and minerals, its effectiveness is limited. Vitamins such as B12 and C, when consumed alongside protein, create a biochemical environment in the body that maximizes muscle synthesis, accelerates recovery, and sustains energy levels throughout the day. Every cell in the body requires a precise balance of nutrients to function optimally, and breakfast provides a unique opportunity to deliver this balance right when the body is most receptive. Protein serves as the building block for muscles, but it is the synergy with vitamins and minerals that transforms these building blocks into tangible strength. Vitamin B12 supports the production of red blood cells, ensuring that oxygen is delivered efficiently to working muscles. This oxygen fuels energy production, allowing muscles to contract more effectively and recover faster after exertion. Vitamin C, on the other hand, aids in collagen formation, strengthening tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue that anchor muscles and allow them to perform at their best. When protein is combined with these nutrients, the body can repair damage, build new muscle fibers, and adapt to physical stress far more efficiently than protein alone could achieve. The timing of nutrient and protein intake is critical. Consuming these nutrients at breakfast ensures that your body starts the day with the tools it needs to perform at a high level. When protein is paired with B12-rich foods like eggs or fortified cereals and vitamin C sources such as berries or citrus, the body immediately begins a cascade of processes that promote muscle growth and endurance. Red blood cells are replenished, connective tissues are strengthened, and cellular energy production is optimized. This combination not only fuels your muscles for the day ahead, but also primes them for the adaptive growth that occurs in response to physical activity. Many people focus solely on protein shakes or supplements, thinking that isolated protein is enough to trigger muscle growth. However, science consistently shows that nutrients work in networks, with each nutrient enhancing the function of others. Protein without vitamins and minerals is like pouring concrete without rebar. It might fill the space, but it lacks the strength and structure needed to withstand stress. By consuming whole foods that provide both protein and essential nutrients, the body is able to build a more resilient, functional musculature that performs efficiently under stress and recovers quickly afterward. Protein and nutrients also interact with the body's metabolism in ways that enhance long-term health. B12 supports energy metabolism, vitamin C protects cells from oxidative damage, and protein provides the raw materials for muscle repair and growth. Together, they create an internal environment where energy is sustained, recovery is accelerated, and performance is optimized. This synergy is why athletes and health-conscious individuals who prioritize nutrient-protein combinations at breakfast often see greater improvements in strength, endurance, and overall physical resilience than those who focus on protein alone. Natural sources of protein, such as eggs, dairy, lean meats, and legumes, paired with nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables, provide the body with everything it needs to respond effectively to exercise and daily physical demands. This combination ensures that muscles, connective tissues, and metabolic systems all receive the support required to function at their peak. Over time, these consistent nutritional choices compound, enhancing strength, reducing fatigue, and promoting long-term muscular health. The act of combining protein with essential vitamins is not just about immediate gains. It is about creating a foundation for sustained performance, resilience, and vitality. Each breakfast that includes this combination becomes a strategic step towards stronger muscles, better energy management, and more efficient recovery. By integrating nutrient-rich foods with high-quality protein into your morning routine, you provide your body with a comprehensive toolkit to build strength, protect against injury, and maximize the results of every workout or physical activity you undertake. So forget the hype around vitamin D supplements. Focus on the vitamins that truly make a difference, incorporate them into your morning routine, and watch your body transform. Remember, your health is your most important investment. Feed it right, fuel it smart, and your muscles will thank you. The journey to strength starts at breakfast, and today is the perfect day to begin.